think about this. The International Boundary and Water Commission says that in the last 5 years, 100 billion gallons of untreated sewage has been dumped into the Tijuana River Valley. The Imperial Beach lifeguard Ashley Hedrick shares the impact that it's had on her and junior lifeguards.
But today, we're forced to bus these kids to clean our beaches because our waters are too dangerous for human contact. There are days when the ocean is completely black, and the smell is so overwhelming that it leaves you nauseous.
For years, people living and working in Imperial Beach in the Tijuana River Valley have described the transported pollution as toxic soup that's poisoning them. Today, environmental advocates and the IB mayor joined State Senator Steve Padilla, who proposed Senate Bill 10, which would use toll fees to restore the Tijuana River Valley. Let me break this down for you. Once the new Otay Mesa East Port of Entry highway on Highway 11 is complete, it will generate toll revenues, and this bill would allow Sandag to use those funds to help fix the sewage crisis. The Imperial Beach's mayor says that just 1% of toll revenue could generate $25 million annually for environmental restoration. This past summer, Congress approved $156 million to upgrade the South Bay International Wastewater Treatment Plant. Senator Padilla says that the sewage is a big pollutant, but the new Otay crossing will also contribute to the problem.
At the end of the day, you can't be putting this infrastructure in the middle of one of the most unique environmental public health disasters in North America and pretend like this isn't here or that you don't have an obligation to contribute to its solution. This is an obvious option that we should put on the table, and that's what SB 10 does.
The CDC is also conducting a survey about the sewage impact, but results are not out yet. Now, Sandag says that it is still analyzing this bill and has not taken a stance. Mexico would also need to support this.
Okay, so Abby, we've been hearing about the Otay Mesa East Port of Entry for a while now. Looking at your construction footage, seems like progress is slower than expected. What's the latest?
Well, you're right. Despite the initial plans to complete this project this year, construction is significantly behind. Sandag is now projecting this be complete in the next 3 years, meaning it could be done by the end of 2027. They're citing construction delays and complex government contracts. And interestingly enough, though, that Mexico is nearly finished with its side of construction.
Well, good that they're looking for new solutions, but that one would be years off, so we'll see what's next. Abby Black reporting for us live. Thanks, Abby.